Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a hot topic in the crypto world: how to withdraw your Dogecoin from Bitrue straight to your Phantom wallet in 2025. With the crypto landscape changing rapidly, this step-by-step guide will help you do it safely and efficiently, whether you're a beginner or a pro. Let's dive right in. First off, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a verified Bitrue account with some Dogecoin in it, and your Phantom wallet set up on your device. Remember, Dogecoin runs on its own blockchain, so we'll need to ensure compatibility. Phantom is mainly for Solana, but with 2025 updates, bridged assets might make this smoother. Step 1. Log into your Bitrue account. Once you're in, head to the Wallets or Assets section to view your balances. Step 2. Locate your Dogecoin holdings and click on the Withdraw button next to it. This will open the withdrawal form. Step 3. In the form, select Dogecoin from the drop-down menu for the asset type. Double-check that the network is set to the Dogecoin blockchain to avoid any errors. Step 4. Enter your Phantom wallet address. Make sure it's the correct one. Copy and paste it directly from your Phantom app to prevent mistakes. If you're using a bridged version of Dogecoin on Solana, confirm that in your wallet settings. Step 5. Input the amount of Dogecoin you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any minimum limits and network fees displayed on screen. Step 6. Review all the details, including the destination address and fees, then hit Confirm and complete any two-factor authentication if required. Step 7. Once submitted, keep an eye on your transaction status in Bitrue. It might take a few minutes to an hour to process, depending on network congestion. Finally, open your Phantom wallet and check for the incoming Dogecoin. If everything went smoothly, it should appear in your balance. A quick tip: always verify addresses and use hardware wallets for extra security. Crypto can be risky, so never rush the process. There you have it. You're all set for 2025 withdrawals. If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.